Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 27th of May. The euro is currently consolidating below 130 against the dollar. The US economy remains fragile, with Ben Bernanke stating last week that the Fed may cut the pace of asset purchasing. The strong dollar of the last few weeks may continue its bullish momentum against the euro. The US dollar weakened against the Japanese yen and is now trading around 101. The yen strengthened against its counterparts amid speculation that the Bank of Japan cannot control Japan's bond yields as part of its monetary stimulus program. Looking at equities, the US 500 rebounded from last week's crash and advanced from 1632 back to 1655. The index is expected to rise at a faster pace and break above 1655. Looking at commodities, gold remains volatile against the US dollar. The precious metal appears to be in search of a catalyst to break higher. It's now trading above 1392 US dollars an ounce. WTI crude extended its losses below 93.60 US dollars per barrel. China, the world's second biggest oil consumer, signalled that it may allow for a slower economic growth. This action may push demand and energy prices even lower. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129. The dollar-yen pivot points at 101.65 with a preference to enter in short positions at 101.65. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 0.9660 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9660. The sterling dollar pivot points at 150.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 150.70. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 103.60 with a preference to enter in short positions at 103.60. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 94.45 with a preference to enter in short positions at 94.45. The gold pivot points at 1377 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1377. The silver pivot points at 21.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 21.95. The US 500 is at 1578 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1578. And the UK 100 is at 6705 with a preference to enter in short positions at 6705. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, it's a bank holiday today, so we have no market announcements. And in Japan at 23.50 GMT, we have the CSPI year-on-year expected at 0.2%. And our mover and shaker to start the week is the Australian dollar continuing its bearish trend versus the greenback. There is a lot of uncertainty regarding a slowing growth in China, which may have an impact in exports for the South Pacific nations. The Aussie collapsed from 0.9778 to 0.9615 against the US dollar last week, and further downsides are probable in the short term. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.